Okay. So, yeah, good morning once again, and welcome everyone for this month ki baat session, which we used to do every month. But since last 2 months, because of some and other reason, I was unable to conduct this because of my unavailability basically. क्योंकि वीकेंड में ही ये यूजुअली ये सेशन में कर पाता हूँ, और वीकेंड में थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन था मेरे लिए, मतलब काफी कुछ पेंडिंग चीजें चल रहे थे, तो दैट इज व्हाई इट हैज बीन डिलेड. Nevertheless, let's start this session. Feel free to ask me any kind of questions you have. हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में चलेगा, both are fine with me. ठीक है, so no need to worry कि मुझे हिंदी में पूछना है इंग्लिश में पूछना है. Whoever is saying something, they can unmute themselves. Unmute करके आप पूछ लेना. If anybody is not saying anything, then it is a request, kindly mute yourself so that it will not disturb others. Okay, so what are the things we are going to discuss today? Okay, so let's go to next slide. Yeah, so we'll be discussing how are the December and the year completely, because Market Star has started in 2021. The algo has been started. Market Star was still existing. So before going to the topics, if anyone is new and they don't know me, so I'm Sitaram, and I'm the admin of Market Star. So Market Star has started few years back, around 4 years back. So we used to conduct different trainings related to mostly market, related to indexes, and related to stocks also. So slowly I'm planning to upload those training session, past training session also in my YouTube channel, so that it will be beneficial to all the users. Okay, so then starting from the training, we started creating different algos on our strategies, because I always believe, मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि if any manual intervention is there, कि कभी भी हमारे ऊपर अगर कंट्रोल छोड़ दिया जाए, तो ह्यूमन ब्रेन इज लाइक दैट, कि हमारे दिमाग में हमेशा यस और नो के बीच में हम हमेशा गलत ही चूज कर देते हैं. बाय और सेल के बीच में भी गलत, मतलब ऐसे अगर हमारे ऊपर छोड़ा जाए ना कोई चीज, तो वी यूजुअली टेंड टू डू मिस्टेक्स. सो and also I always inspire, though trading is good, stock market is a good, can be a good source of income, but I always insist users or traders to keep it as a secondary source of income, not the primary source of income. Why? Because market किसी का सगा नहीं है. Market is always uncertain. Okay, so we have been educated, we have been grew according to our qualification and all, and if you are earning well, then definitely you should continue that. And साइड बाय साइड अगर मार्केट से भी कुछ आ रहा है, तो दैट इज ए वेरी गुड सोर्स ऑफ इनकम. दैट इज व्हाट आई फॉलो, and that is what means many people will differ with me. I am okay with it, so I am just explaining what I am following. So currently I am working as a software engineer, as a team lead in a good renowned company in Bangalore. So side by side, this is also going side by side, this kind of algo trading. So when we are doing it as a secondary source of income, or secondary hobby, or secondary interest, then definitely you need some assistance. Means you can't be sitting in front of the system all the time, so you need some assistance from the algo. So ये सारे बैकग्राउंड में इसलिए बता रहा हूँ, how Market Star started creating the algos. So I started creating algos, and from last year, I think February onwards, I have published my algos in Tretron. So Tretron is a beautiful site where you can see all the you can subscribe, or you can deploy all strategies which you want in your own trading account, and according to the strategy, without any manual interference, the algo will punch orders and square up orders whatever needed. Okay, so each strategy page has its own characteristics. I have created per strategy. I have created the strategy explanation video also. You can go ahead and check. So it is completely 100% transparent way. I have explained what the strategy is going to do and what exactly you can expect from the strategy. Okay. No hi-fi kind of daydreaming kind of return or risk. So all the strategies are designed in such a way that the risk and reward both are limited. Okay. And risk and reward, I would say not limited, the risk and reward both are realistic. Okay. So that's where we came from, and let's start today's topic with this brief introduction. How was the December entire year as well as the month we'll check, and secondly we'll see what has been changed. We always see market किसी का सगा नहीं है जब मैं बोलता हूँ तो why? Because market behavior keep on changing. Market जब change होता है then we need to, without any complaining, means hardly you have seen in group also, hardly I have complained that because of the market this happened. Always I take the blame on the strategy, because blame as well as the credit both I take as per the strategy, क्योंकि ये एक strategy का behavior होना चाहिए कि according to the market change we need to adjust our strategy. No complaint to the market. Market तो change होगा ही, हम किसको complain करें? Is there any one point contact to be complained about the market? There is no one point contact, right? So what are the market dynamics, how it is changing, so that I will cover, and the changes in market star portfolio. So जब market dynamics change हो रहे हैं तो definitely हम कुछ strategy point of view we need to change, as well as the portfolio point of view, means what will how the combination of the strategy is going to perform on your portfolio, that also we need to change. So how we have changed, so that also I'll cover. Expectation from the January. There are many questions which are coming that considering budget is on February 1, so what we can expect from the January and how we can handle the volatility and all. So that also I'll cover. Future plans. Any future plans means what currently we are basically I am not a person who just create the strategy and throw that in the marketplace, then Bhagwan bharose jo bhi hoga dekha jayega. So I always keep on R&D things, always it goes on. So that comes under future plan. So what we are going to do in means coming future. Okay. Followed by that question and answer, whatever questions any user have. I know there will be many questions because yeah, please mute if you are not saying anything. Okay. Yeah. So I know there will be many questions because we are doing this session after a couple of months. So there will be many questions. So I'll be open to questions. Once please mute. Please mute. Yeah, this is a common means first point before starting the session itself. I told if anybody not saying anything, please mute it. I am recording it. It will be uploaded in the YouTube also. So kindly maintain the decorum. Okay. So yeah, then I'll be open to, after covering all these topics, I'll be open to question and answer. Means any questions, whatever you have related to our market strategies, I'll be open to answer everything. Okay. So how was the December? So to answer this thing, so I need to go to our Google PNL summary to check how was the December month. Okay. So December was actually it was good, though the second part was questionable. But that's what every day cannot be like that. So December first half was actually tremendous. So I would show you the figure. This is actually 31st December means this is the monthly summary of I'll zoom it a little bit. This is the monthly summary of December month. Okay. So 8.7% in a month. This is gross return. Okay. So 8.7% is actually very good. Okay. But it was even much better if you see 15th December till 15th December. Okay. Till 15th December, if you'll see all the strategies were yeah, similar kind of thing. Actually, we exaggerate a lot of things, but if you see the overall monthly picture, it will give you the correct picture. So I think till 14th December, the first 2 weeks actually. So it was it was very good, in fact. Okay, so that is why in between the month when it started a little bit bugging, then people started panicking that what is happening. Does our all our money will go out और चला जाएगा सब कुछ, या कैसे थोड़ा सा भी लॉस होता है तो लोग पैनिक करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो व्हाट आई मीन टू से, तो दिसंबर फर्स्ट हाफ में भी हमारा 7.3% अराउंड ऑन एन एवरेज परफॉर्मेंस था, और दिसंबर एंड में भी जब देखा जाए तो 8.7% में टोटल क्लोजिंग हुआ है. तो 7.3% टू 8.7%, सो देयर इज ओनली 1.4% ग्रोथ, पर ग्रोथ तो है. दैट्स व्हाट आई मीन टू से. 15th दिसंबर तक हमारा 7.3% हो गया था. लोगों को लग रहा था कि पीपल वेर थिंकिंग कि इट विल बी काइंड ऑफ 14-15% ओवरऑल ग्रोथ in the month of December, but December month it ended with 8.7%. So in the first half it was 7.3%, in the second half only 1.4%, but still it was a growth. Okay, so total 8.7% was not bad, I would say. Okay, it is good. Gross 8.7 means 2 to 3% will go in brokerage and taxes. So still we managed to perform more than 5% net in the month of December. Okay, I will go a little bit behind and I'll show you how was the month in the November, because in November month also I didn't communicate. I didn't have this session. So November was actually much better. नवंबर में बहुत ही अच्छा था, मतलब सारे ही स्ट्रेटेजी ने अच्छे परफॉर्म कर दिए थे नवंबर में. सो नवंबर मंथ वाज अराउंड 10% ROI. So it was 7% around, 3% I'm deducting as taxes and brokerage. So 3% is a good amount of money. Means out of 19 lakh, means out of total 1,90,000. So 3% means it is coming around 57,000. I'm deducting as 60,000 around. I'm deducting as brokerage and other taxes. Okay, so that comes around 7%. Which is, see, what was our expectation? I always say to anyone that our expectation is to grow net 5% every month. Net 5% every month works out as 12 into 5 is 60% in a year. 60% in a year is actually a very healthy amount of return. Bank में 6% नहीं मिल रहा है, 6% also we are not getting nowadays in fixed deposits. Okay, so when we are talking about 60%, then definitely it is a very good year-end return. Okay, if I'll show you about October. Okay, so October was also good, where many people understood that saw that September and October was very difficult, but still in the month of October we managed to get 6.5% after deduction of 3%, still 3.5% net profit. So this is how we are consistent. So we don't show you high returns that you will be crorepati in 2-3 months, and we never disappoint. Our expectation is very set, that on an average sometimes the net profit will be 7-8%, sometimes it will be 3-4%, but on an average we always plan for 5%. We always plan for 5%. October was also difficult. November was easy. December second half again extremely difficult, but still we managed. Now in the month of January, it has not been disappointing month still so far. In the month of December, January, first week has been done. Still we managed 0.2%, which is little bit on an edge, you can say. The net profit is at cost, but we are not in loss in the month of January also. Okay, let's see how it goes in the month of January. Okay, I have one more thing to show you. Okay, so this is our overall performance throughout the year for all the strategies. This has been taken out from the subscriber page as per the strategy, how it performed. So index premium meter had started in the month of July. Okay, index premium meter has started in the month of July. So within last 6 months, it has given a tremendous return to our subscribers. That is 1.5 CR. Okay, that is 1.5 CR. It has given index premium meter. Bank Nifty premium meter has started just 3 months back. October, November, December, 3 months. So within 3 months, Bank Nifty premium meter has generated 46 lakhs of total gross profit for our users. Then coming to Bank Nifty Premium Meter, 17 lakhs, Nifty Premium Meter around 15 lakhs, V1 Bank Nifty Premium Meter, which used to be a very good strategy in past. So that has been discontinued from market share portfolio. I'll come into that point. What are the strategies have been removed and what are the change in the market share portfolio in next slides. Okay, Bank Nifty consistent earner recently has uh, it is on focus since last 3-4 months. So that also giving good profit, 3 lakhs for 4672 amount of rupees to our users. So far so good. All the strategies have been performing well since last few months. Okay, and in the month of means the total 2021 year, it was actually a very good year. Okay, why I would say, uh, when I started, I would just take 2 minutes offline off discussion. So when I started in the month of February, I was in dilemma that how our strategies will perform in algo, where many people will subscribe. First of all, the question was many people will subscribe or not. Okay, so I tried what I feel genuine, that show all the data to users, whatever it happens, profit or loss, whatever it happens, just show data. So I took help from one of the user only. So and he has designed the Google summary page in a very neat way, clean way, very simplistic way, I can say. Okay, where people can understand what exactly is happening in each of the strategy. Capital requirement, ROI kitna hai, har month mein kitna aata hai. So all those things have been covered, and we started. So with a very lean kind of manner, 1, 2, 3 users, and slowly, where I was checking subscribers will come or not. In the month of August, Index Premium Meter has claimed rank 1 strategy, rank 1 in marketplace, Tretron marketplace, with 100 around deployments. Okay, so after that, it was a responsibility that the strategy should continue to perform the same way throughout the month, every month by month, so that people will not lose hope or trust. There were a couple of drawdown moments in the month of August and September, basically, where Index Premium Meter has given 4 to 5% drawdown, 5% around drawdown back September and October month both, but it recovered. Even though there were drawdowns in Index Premium Meter of 5% each in September and October, still both the months were positive. So that's where a strategy performs and proves that it can be a consistent performing strategy. Many people question also that this strategy is giving only for 4 to 5% net return. How it can be a number one strategy? Sir, this is actually consistently it is giving. It is not giving August mein de diya, July mein de diya, September mein nahi dega kind of thing. It is giving, and I hope the dreams will never end, and it should give the hopes should never end from the users, and it should give every month by month. It should give like that. So every month consistently it has given 5 to 6% on an average net to almost all the users. Okay, there may be some discrepancy due to errors, or maybe because of whatever may be the reason. There are 10% user who have, openly I can say, there are few users who are a little bit on the negative side also, maybe in some months in Index Premium Meter. But in an overall picture, if some if any user has continued their journey in Index Premium Meter, then it has never set back or never disappointed any user. Okay, even in the month of January, when because of I'll show you the region. I would show what is happening in the month of January first of all. Okay, so in the month of January, if you see, so things are not easy thing. Okay, why things are not easy? I'll tell you. What is that? Yeah. So if you'll see, this is Bank Nifty chart. Okay, so if you see the Bank Nifty's range since last few days. So Friday तो वही तहलका मचा दिया था बैंक निफ्टी ने. So it has, see the gaps, it is huge gap. Okay, so after huge gap, bank nifty still moved up, and after making a high of 38,134 135, so it came down till 37,429, which is 700 points, which is 2% movement. So this 2% movement, digesting this 2% movement through algo, it is not an easy task. It is not an easy task. Still our bank nifty strategy somehow survived. If you see our case, so still they survived somehow. Then coming to 6, so this was 7. Coming to 6, the low is 3761, the high is 37,750. So it is again on an expiry day 600 point movement, 600 point range. It is close to 2% again. So it is not easy. Okay, so again coming to 5th, so the low is 36,770, and the high is 37,860. So, so it is more than 1,000 point, means around 3% range. So so like this it is happening since last few days. 4th of January was little bit slow in the sense it has given still 1% range. Okay, 36,382, 36,886, not 1%. 530 point means it is more than 1.5%. Okay, compared to other huge range, so this is comparatively less, but still 1.5% range is a good amount of range. Okay, again 3 January, if you would say, so it is again 532 461, which is again 950 points, means close to 3%. So the thing is that where edge per hour, whenever we create any kind of strategy, हम लोग एक लॉजिक लेते हैं कि ये स्ट्रेटेजी कब काम करेगा, कब काम नहीं करेगा. So most of the market strategies are market neutral strategy to little bit trending भी चल जाएगा. पर इस टाइप का ट्रेंडिंग, this kind of trending markets are very difficult to handle for our strategies, because as per our assumption, what we assumed 80% of the time, not 80, let's say nowadays little bit trending, so let's say 75%, 70 to 75% of the time market will be plus and minus volatile, or within 1% range from the open standpoint. I would say from open, market will be plus or minus 1% range, or little bit more than 1% also. It is okay. It is okay for our strategies. Okay, so that used to happen 70 to 75% time. 25% around time, what happens? Market will be huge kind of trending. So those huge kind of trending days, we cut down our losses. Or if the huge range, huge trending range, huge trend, market trend plus or minus is coming on Monday and Friday. Monday and Friday, what we know, Monday and Friday are the start of the week. So usually we see very less premium erosion there. Okay. First of all, I am trying to explain कि 70 to 75% time, regardless of any cases, market will stick to 1 to 1.5% kind of thing. ये सारे दिन में हमें profit लेना ही लेना है, the way the strategies are designed. Okay, if the trending more than 2% kind of trend, or 3% kind of highly trend, it is happening on Wednesday or Thursday, that also we can digest, because on those days usual natural premium erosion will happen, so that also we can digest. Okay, rest जो बच जाता है 15 to 20% days, 15 to 20% days में हमको loss होगा, ये हम मान के चलते हैं. Okay, so that is understood. But since last 1 week or 10 days, if you'll see, market ने एकदम से मतलब थोड़ा सा मतलब डोप टेस्ट करवाना पड़ेगा मार्केट का. 2 to 3% is very common in last 10 days. So that is why our strategies are not much performing, I would say. As I have shown you, 0.2% is the gross profit in first week of January. So that is not a very good thing, but again I would say this is not even loss. Okay, I am still hopeful that January by end of the January, because at the end क्या होना, at the end तो premium को गिरना ही है, correct? So the way market is behaving, it is not much suitable to our strategy. That's what I meant to say. Okay, now coming to one more point, what exactly it is happening. I was seeing one of the person's video also referencing, and also I tried to analyze one thing, how the market dynamics has been changed. First thing मैंने दिखाया कि आपको काफी रेंज बड़ा हो गया. दूसरा है, second point I would like to highlight. Right now the India VIX is 17.6, even it was 18-19 around. अगर आप लोग चेक कर सकते हो तो चेक करना कि कभी भी अगर 18, 19, 20 टाइप का विक्स अगर हो रहा है, earlier the premiums used to be very high. Earlier the premium used to be very high. Premium as an example very high when I say, आपको एक एग्जांपल से बता सकता हूँ कि पहले क्या होता था, कुछ महीने पहले अगर हम जाएंगे तो अराउंड 20 के अराउंड अगर विक्स चल रहा है तो फ्राइडे प्रीमियम इज अराउंड 900 to 1000. मतलब स्ट्रडल प्रीमियम, एटीएम स्ट्रडल प्रीमियम अगर हम देखेंगे 900 to 1000 टाइप का होता है. अब अगर सेम चीज को हम कंपेयर करें ऑन फ्राइडेस मूवमेंट, व्हेन मार्केट गैप अप एंड अराउंड 18 ही था उस टाइम पे भी, 17.5 अराउंड था, 17 पॉइंट इतना ही था. तो ऑन दैट डे आई वाज सीइंग मार्केट ओपनिंग में ही स्ट्रडल का प्रीमियम अराउंड 720 अराउंड था, व्हिच इज प्रीटी लेस कंपेयर्ड टू previous months what was happening. Okay, and then जब मार्केट बढ़े जा रहा था और हमको शायद बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियमीटर में एक टारगेट भी मिला, तो उस टाइम पे प्रीमियम हो गया था 630. ओके, 630. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एटीएम स्ट्रडल पुट एंड कॉल का टोटल प्रीमियम 630 अराउंड. ओके, एंड देन अब ये फ्राइडे का आफ्टरनून ही हो रहा था, हमको मार्केट में फ्राइडे का सेकेंड हाफ भी रहना था, मंडे भी रहना था, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे. सो देयर आर 4.5 days वेर पेंडिंग एंड द प्रीमियम एटीएम प्रीमियम वाज ओनली 730. अब ये प्रीमियम विक्स अगर 10 है, वोलेटिलिटी अगर 10, वोलेटिलिटी इंडेक्स अगर 10-11 है, तो ये टाइप का प्रीमियम मुझे समझ में आता है. वोलेटिलिटी इंडेक्स विक्स इज एट 17-18, where market is predicting that market can move plus and minus. When VIX increases means market is predicting market can be volatile more. More VIX means more volatility is possible. But premiums were not that kind of high. That's what I'm trying to highlight. Now coming to the region where it is happening, my guess, as per my understanding, this is completely my personal opinion. So the reason behind it is there are more and more option sellers which are coming to market, because if you see the fixed deposit rate, it is only 5 to 6%. If you see mutual funds भी जो लास्ट 4-5 साल का ऑन एन एवरेज डाटा दिखाते हैं, that is also I can show you, that is also will not happen. That means if you are seeing and if you are expecting the same thing to continue, that will not happen for sure. क्यों? आपको एक चीज दिखाता हूँ. This is all part 2, second slide, market dynamics, how it is changing. अगर आप देखोगे बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियमीटर, जूनियर, इवन बैंक निफ्टी कंसिस्टेंट अर्नर और एनी इंडेक्स प्रीमियमीटर का एवरेज मंथली आरओआई 11% है. इंडेक्स प्रीमियमीटर का एवरेज मंथली आरओआई फ्रॉम अक्टूबर टू till 2020 October to till now means around 14 months average is 11%. Bank Nifty consistent earner, the average return is 15%. So you can definitely question, sir ये सारे average return आप तो दिखा तो रहे हैं, लास्ट 3 महीने में आप बस दिखा दो एक बार ऐसे हुआ है, तो how this average is coming? The average is coming from last year 2020 October to till now. 2020 अक्टूबर में हमें 7.5 to 8% फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट में मिल रहे थे. At that time, mutual funds were also guaranteeing 12 to 15% around, more than 10% around return. But these are all average returns. उस टाइम पे हुआ करता था, अभी नहीं हो पा रहा है. Because why? What is the reason? Because the premiums has also gone down to adjust accordingly. अभी रिटर्न उतना एक्सपेक्टेशन अगर रखोगे, that will give you only sadness. हो ही नहीं पा रहा है. Across India wide, if you see, the fixed deposit rate has also gone down. That means government also guaranteeing you only 4 to 5% return after tax. Okay, and then home loan का जो भी था वो 10% हुआ करता था. Now home loan is available at 6.5%. So when those interest rates are coming down, ये पता नहीं कैसे adjust करते हैं बड़े बड़े traders. या I would not go into that direction, but in a broader sense, if you'll see, if you are checking this average monthly ROI in any strategy as per the back testing, and you are expecting this to happen now or next month, that will not going to happen. I can write it down in a paper. Okay, for sure it will not happen. So what is the realistic expectation right now? The realistic expectation right now is around 5 से 8% अगर मिल जाता है, 5 to 8% in every month, if you are getting, that is actually a trophy for you. Okay, that is actually a trophy for you, because banks are giving yearly 5%, and if you are getting monthly 5%, that is actually means a lot for you. So that should be your expectation, and that expectation, definitely I'll do whatever I can, but definitely I can meet that expectation for sure through our strategies. Okay, so since this market dynamics has been changed, what exactly impacted? Few months back, कुछ महीने पहले अगर आप देखोगे, हमारे पास कुछ डायनेमिक स्ट्रेटेजीज, स्टैटिक स्ट्रेटेजीज होते हैं. What are static strategies? Static strategies means they will enter in a pair, they will cut down the positions as per market movement, but they will not regenerate the position. Enter होंगे, अगर मार्केट एक तरफा रहा तो कट कर देंगे पोजीशन, वो फिर दोबारा वो एंट्री नहीं लेगा. जो पोजीशन कट हो गया, दोबारा वो एंट्री नहीं होगा. ओके, तो मार्केट जिस तरीके से मूव करता है ऊपर नीचे का रेंज लेके लास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स, so in that case those static strategies dynamically they are not adjusting to their positions, they are just as per the predefined percentage, they are just cutting down the positions in case of unfavorable situations. अगर मार्केट एक बार ट्रेंड बना के दोबारा रिवर्सल हो गया, then those strategies were killing the day. मतलब वो आपका लॉस बहुत गंदे से लेके जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो those strategies were fruitful in last few years. If you check those strategies backtest, still they are performing. Okay, if you check those strategies in stock market, those were giving very good results. But in realistic market scenario, in real life scenario, they are unable to perform. Why? Because they are not regenerating the position. एक बार कट गया तो दिन का कट गया, फिर अगर दिन में मार्केट में अगर रिवर्सल आता है, then those strategies were unable to handle the market scenarios. So that is why there were 4 strategies: Nifty Premium Meter version 1, Bank Nifty Premium Meter version 1, which used to be part of hybrid, दोनों hybrid under Nifty hybrid under Bank Nifty hybrid under. So those 4 strategies were very good strategies, and people who have earned also a lot from those strategies in past. But recent few months का मैंने देखा, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, अब हम स्ट्रेटेजी को 15 days 1 month दे सकते हैं. मैंने 3 महीना दिया वो सारे चारों स्ट्रेटेजी को. Still they were unable to perform extraordinary as they were performing before couple of months. So I was forced to delete. I was forced, not deleted, I was forced to remove them from the from MarketStar portfolio as well as from Tradetron marketplace, because जब तक वो स्ट्रेटेजी हमारे पोर्टफोलियो में रहेंगे, कभी ना कभी तो कोई स्ट्रेटेजी देगा ही प्रॉफिट, एंड people would have confused. वो यूजर्स कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि ये स्ट्रेटेजी आज दिया, कल दिया, 2 दिन दे दिया, चलो इस स्ट्रेटेजी को हम सब्सक्राइब कर लेते हैं. Why to give that confusion? Because I know the market dynamics has been changed and last 3 months it has not performed. So let's assume, खुद को भी समझाना पड़ता है कि भाई ये स्ट्रेटेजी काम नहीं कर रहा है, लेट्स मूव ऑन. ओके, ऐसे कमिट तो नहीं कर सकते ना. Whereas I have already lot of other dynamic strategy which cut down the position as well as regenerate the position if market reverses. Those strategies are performing very consistently. Those strategies are performing very consistently. Okay, so that is why to adjust according to the current market volatility, to reduce the confusion from the users, I have cut down, I have removed 4 strategies from the portfolio, and at present there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 इंडेक्स ओवरनाइट अर्नर तो ऐसे ही एक स्टैंड बाय स्ट्रेटेजी है. I would not consider that is a portfolio kind of strategy. वो ऐसे ही, that is also good strategy, but it is a standby strategy which can give you on an average 2 to 3% अगर overnight का कोई position बच जाता है तो. Okay, so mainstream strategies are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, out of them the leading strategies are index premium meter. Obviously most of the जनता जो भी है अभी attend कर रहे हैं, they know index premium meter is a leading number one strategy even right now marketplace. August, September, October, November, December, since last 6 months index premium meter is the number one option selling strategy of Tractor marketplace. Reason बहुत clear है, हालांकि वो बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉफिट नहीं दे पाता, पर every month it is positive since last 6 months. Okay, so index premium meter हो गया. Since last 3 months I have introduced 2 more dynamic strategy, बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर एंड निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर. ये दोनों हो गए. ये दोनों में भी मैंने वीडियो भी बना रखा है. बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर वीडियो also I have uploaded in बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर page. I have not uploaded nifty premium meter because it is similar. What if you understood how a bank nifty premium meter works, then you can also understand how a nifty premium meter works. Okay, so ये तीनों स्ट्रेटेजी हो गया हमारे मार्केट. ये दोनों स्ट्रेटेजीज बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर एंड निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर. So these two strategies are completely market neutral strategies. Market neutral strategy in the sense it will give you a very good amount of, means market कहीं अगर हिलेगा नहीं, then you will get lot of money from these two strategies. Okay, so sometimes it amazed us कि वही मार्केट तो मूव ही नहीं हो रहा है, कहां से आप प्रॉफिट निकाल रहे हो. सो दोस टाइप ऑफ मार्केट्स आर हाईली फेवरेबल मार्केट फॉर दिस टू strategies, बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर एंड निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर. When market ranges till 1%, which is also a moderately trending market, so those moderate trending market also these two strategies perform very well. Very high trending market, then it will cut down the losses. It will try to cut down the losses, and at the end of the day around 2% movement में भी वो झेल लेता है. उससे आगे 2% से ज्यादा it gives you loss. These two strategies will give you loss. Index premium meter, no need to explain. Already in video I have explained A to Z thing. Somehow it is surviving. Its win rate is 72% since last 14 months, and actually it is giving right now also it is producing that winning rate. So around 70% days it will give you profit regardless of any market condition or any volatility. It will give you this kind of win rate as well as consistent return. Okay, so ये सारे टाइप के मार्केट में चल जाएगा. Coming to बैंक निफ्टी consistent earner, बैंक निफ्टी consistent earner each 3 pair against strategy. I have uploaded video, you can check. So here we are taking OTM hedges. Since we are taking OTM hedges, we are taking some extra risk. So we are not entering again and again multiple counters in Bank Nifty consistent earner. Bank Nifty consistent earner runs only once in a day. Target ho ya stop loss ho, only once. So this is performing very good since last 3 months. October also 12% around, November also 12% around, December also 12%. So consistently 12, 12, 12 it has given. So let's see, January also so far last 5 days were green, though not high pay return, but still it is going good. Okay, for users having less fund, they can look into Bank Nifty Premium Meter Junior and Nifty Premium Meter Junior or Bank Nifty Sure Short Runner. So these three strategies are also doing good. They have requirement of less capital requirement compared to these leading strategies. So people who are having little bit less capital, or after investing in this leading strategies, they have still some of the capital which is not matching, some additional capital they have, so they can go for juniors or Sure Short Runner. Okay, you can use OTM hedge also. OTM hedge जब आप use करोगे, तो from any strategy, whenever you are using any OTM hedges, out of the money call option you are buying OTM hedges. So in that case, whatever is the capital requirement mentioned here, so from that capital requirement, around 30 to 35% capital requirement will be reduced. For an example, in Bank Nifty Prima Meter, it is written 5 lakhs is the capital requirement. If you use Bank Nifty Prima Meter, mein kitna, how many pairs it takes? It takes 3 pairs, right? So I have explained in the video also. So 3 pair in Bank Nifty Prima Meter, it takes selling means you need to take 3x Bank Nifty OTM hedge. So if you take 3x Bank Nifty OTM hedge, so 35% capital will be reduced, which will be around 3.4 lakhs में आपका काम हो जाएगा. 3.4 lakhs around it will be needed if you are doing OTM hedge for Bank Nifty Prima Meter. Okay. Suppose you are using Bank Nifty Prima Meter and Nifty Prima Meter both. So you know here also 3x 3 pair Bank Nifty options, and here also 3 pair Nifty option. So instead of wasting lot of deployments like Bank Nifty OTM hedge का एक अलग से deployment, Nifty OTM hedge का एक अलग से deployment, I have created one index OTM hedge where Nifty 1 pair and Bank Nifty 1 pair will be bought, OTM pair will be bought. So अगर आप दोनों अगर यूज कर रहे हो Nifty Prima Meter and Bank Nifty Prima Meter, for that 3x index OTM hedge लगा लो, वो भी एक deployment में काम हो जाएगा आपका. ठीक है. So like that, for juniors also, if you 1x OTM hedge you are using, then your capital requirement will come down to around 1 lakh for Bank Nifty, and for Nifty it will come around 75 to 80k around. Okay, that is the minimum capital requirement with OTM hedge for the juniors. Okay, so that's how it looks like right now, the current portfolio. And with this, what I've covered, how was the December month I have covered, how was the year I have covered, how the market dynamics change I have covered, changes in the market star portfolio I have covered. So 3 points I have covered. One more point is now expectation from the January. Now coming to January expectation, January months year by year, if you will see, so this is not an easy month to trade. Why? Because February 1 में अपना budget आना रहता है. Okay, so when budget is coming, so before budget they started to move the market, means market is not stable. Okay, when I say market is not stable, in the sense you can't expect a clear-cut trend in the month of January. You can't expect a clear-cut trend in the month of January. Okay, then from January 2nd week or 3rd week onwards, premium VIX and premium both started raging consistently. Okay, so in that case it gets little bit difficult to adjust for option selling strategy. Okay, who see these strategies are tested even in the month of January also, so no need to worry. Okay, we have trailing stop loss, we have our profit booking mechanism, we have our adjustment mechanism. Static strategy तो मैंने हटा ही दिया है portfolio से. So I would not say these strategies will not perform in the month of January, but if somebody is little bit hesitating, जिनको डर लग रहा है, who are panicking, पता नहीं क्या ही हो जाएगा, so in those cases you can reduce your position size on Monday and Friday. You can reduce your position sizes on Monday and Friday. You can trade on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and this I am telling after second week of the January, when VIX is expected to grow up, because upcoming event, this is non-event, right? Budget yearly once non-event, which is actually a major event, budget. Okay, so VIX will start raging from the month, from second week or third week onwards. So on those days, you can reduce your position size on Monday and Friday, and you can maintain the correct position size as per the expectation in on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Because these three, if premiums are high, definitely it will go down also, right? And when VIX goes down, so these last 3 days of the week, it will give you good amount of return. Okay, so you can plan accordingly, no need to worry. Okay, coming to the future plans. So right now, mostly all the strategies of MarketStar are moderate risk to low risk strategy and low return strategy. So I would say it is high time that MarketStar portfolio needs some trending strategies. Like if you combine trending strategy, high risk, high gain strategy, little bit, then along with both the Nifty Prima Meter and Bank Nifty Prima Meter, it will be a very good combination. Okay, so considering that point, I am planning to add one more strategy in our portfolio. Actually, two more strategy in our portfolio. That is, what is that? Yeah, here. So not here. So. Okay. Yeah. So here already I have started index directional hedge strategy. So I would get the backtest result of index directional earner, and I will show. Right now I am running it in sometimes live offline, sometimes live online also. I am running it. So index directional earner. So far it has not disappointed me. So it is going well actually. So let's see how it goes. I will get the backtest result within few days. Tretron is taking too much time nowadays. So why initially I thought it to make it only for Bank Nifty, but what I saw in Bank Nifty together, they can be a good combination, because index prima meter, if you'll see, when there is Bank Nifty and Nifty together, so they balance each other in a very well. Okay, they balance each other very well, and their stop loss, it is hard to hit. Okay, so same principle I have applied here also. Bank Nifty one leg and Nifty one leg it will take, and along with that it will take hedge also. So within 1 lakh of the capital, this is more than enough to be deployed. So this will be a high risk and high gain strategy. Let's see how it goes. After back testing report, I can say how it will happen. Okay, so this is my future plan to bring this strategy into our portfolio, so that it will be a good balanced combination. Okay, so that's all from my end. Whatever topics I have planned to cover these topics within 40 minutes. Sorry, 20 minutes, but it took 40 minutes. That is fine, as long as I am satisfied that I have explained all my points. So time doesn't matter to me. Okay, I am open to question and answer. You can raise your hand. Please listen. You can raise your hand in chat. You can go to chat and you can raise your hand, so that I can call the name for your question and you can ask the questions. I'm open for the questions right now. So one by one, you can raise hand and you can ask the question or unmute and ask.
Hello. Hello.
I can hear you. Tell me.
Yeah. Actually, from when you are going to start this directional strategies in marketplace will be available?
सर यहाँ पे अगर मैं दिखाऊं ना आपको, तो बैक टेस्टिंग में काफी टाइम लग जा रहा है. स्ट्रेटेजीज बैक टेस्ट में जाके आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, ये अभी भी बैक टेस्ट में पड़ा हुआ है. ठीक है, इंडेक्स डायरेक्शनल लर्नर हैज, सो आई हैव पोस्टेड इट फॉर बैक टेस्ट ऑन Jan 6. तो टुडे Jan 9, 3 दिन से ये पड़ा हुआ है, बैक टेस्टिंग हो ही नहीं रहा है. अब बिना बैक टेस्टिंग के ना ट्यूनिंग नहीं हो पाता कि कहाँ पे ये स्ट्रेटेजी फेल हुआ है, कहाँ पे ये स्ट्रेटेजी परफॉर्म किया हुआ है. सो टू ट्रैक ऑल दिस थिंग्स आई नीड द बैक टेस्ट रिपोर्ट. ओके, तो उसी के लिए, वरना स्ट्रेटेजी तो रेडी है, स्ट्रेटेजी चल भी रहा है बिना कोई एरर के. तो वो रेडी, स्ट्रेटेजी रेडी है. तो एक बार मुझे सब कुछ थोड़ा सा मतलब इफ आई विल बी सेटिस्फाइड देन डेफिनेटली यू आल्सो विल बी सेटिस्फाइड. ये आएगा, बहुत जल्दी ही कर दूंगा ये. इसको देख के मैं ट्यूनिंग करके भेज दूंगा मार्केट प्लेस में.
And in directional strategies, Bank Nifty and Nifty both are combined in one strategy, no?
Correct, sir. Bank Nifty both are combined.
A separate strategy, they both are combined, so we can take advantage of any index which gives momentum.
Correct, sir. You are 100% correct.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Next hand raised by Be Good.
Yes, sir. Good
Sir,
morning.
your name? Your name?
My name is Prashant.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Tell me.
See, the question is like you just said, like Mondays and Fridays, you reduce the positions, okay, for the premium
in the month of
meters.
January, in the month of January, after second or third week.
Yeah. But people with only 1x, how will they reduce it, sir? Either they have to stop
They
it.
pause it. Who are using 1x, they can pause it.
Okay. So Monday and Tuesday, Monday and Friday, just pause it and sit. And
Correct.
Tuesday,
So
Wednesday, Thursday, run it.
Correct. So there are two options. Either Monday and Friday you pause it in the
Okay.
in second week or third week. I'm saying right now also it is okay to deploy. So either you pause it, or in Monday and Friday, if you are using without any OTM hedges, then try to use OTM hedges on Wednesday and Thursday. So that your 1x will be kind of 2x and you can gain more money there.
Correct, sir. But see the Nifty, if you see on Thursday, more than 2%, it gave a heart attack. So if we do it on 2x, then it will be very difficult.
The thing is that market is like that only, sir. It will give you heart attack only one day, and you will remember that heart attack forever. Okay. So the thing is that if you see on Thursday what happened, it was kind of very unfortunate situation that it touched 2% and then market reversed. So it could have been reversed at 1.9% also. Okay. So it was our hard luck, I can say, because once the market reversed, the premium eroded like anything. So you saw, right? Bank Nifty premium has given 2.1%.
Later, whatever has happened is not the thing, sir. Okay, because after that, what happens is nobody is this one, because the money lost is lost. Okay.
Correct. So I totally am with
what
you.
What we want to understand is the people who has only deployed premium meters, Bank Nifty and Nifty.
Correct.
So what we have to do, see, from last 1 week, it's almost like 3% is loss already for the month for me.
How?
I don't know about others. Okay.
How it is possible?
Okay, you can check the TT of my account. I'll share it with you. You can see that. Okay, so if it is a loss of already like 2.5% or a 3% on a net loss, so the remaining months, okay, so it is like, should we have to, what we have to do is the next question. Should we have to continue with the same thing, or should we switch to IP index premium meter? What should we do? Is the
I can answer.
And you might say that, see, market is supreme. It's your decision. You take a call, you might say. If we are so intelligent than you, sir, then definitely we would have also created one algo, right? We would have not be dependent on you.
I would answer, sir. I would answer your question.
So you are the supreme. You are the supreme for the subscribers. You need to guide us in the right way. So sir, that is why we ask you.
I understood your question, sir, and you only answered. So let me answer. Then we can take your question again. Okay. So Nifty premium meter has given minus 3.5%. Minus 3.5% is definitely it is a painful thing. If you add the cost and all, means the brokerage and taxes, it will be around 4%, 4 and 1% kind of thing. So definitely it is painful. I'm not denying. Even if you see my portfolio, my deployment, so same loss I have also incurred. Okay, but if somebody is using Nifty premium meter, Bank Nifty premium meter together, so together on 5 lakhs and 3.5 lakhs, suppose 8.5 lakhs somebody has deployed. So on 8.5 lakhs, so it is only 12,366 and 2,000. So 12,500 plus 2,500, it is coming around 15,000. On 15,000, if you will add the transaction taxes and all, So it will be around 2% extra you add. Okay. But still it will be around 30,000, 25,000 around total. 10,000 I am adding as somehow some slippages, taxes and all. 25,000 I am telling you. So on that also it is coming around 3%. So as you said, I totally agree with you. You lost 3%, but what exactly is the if you check the backtest result, since last three months we have not seen more than 2%. But if you check the backtest result of Bank Nifty Prima Meter and Nifty Prima Meter, I would show you. So there I have clearly mentioned what can be the drawdown. Yeah. So drawdown will be the last column. Yeah. So in historic drawdown, last 14 months, I have got the result. So Bank Nifty has minus 6.3%. Right now, Bank Nifty is standing at 0.5%. So if 0.5% negative in this week. So if you ask me right now, I would definitely will say you just continue the strategy. It will give you profit. Okay. So that's what the start says. Okay. Coming to Nifty Premium Meter. So Nifty Premium Meter has also history since last 14 months. The historic
Sir,
drawdown in
what
Nifty Premium Meter is
you only just now says the previous whatever the years, whatever the months is different. Now the market dynamics is different. So there is no point checking the previous things, sir. That is like doing
there
a
is no point of
post-mortem.
astrology also, sir. There is no point of astrology that I can predict. I can
No,
predict
no,
on the
no.
starts only. I
Correct,
can predict
correct,
on the
correct,
starts only. So you can't
correct.
contradict with me on this point that you only said the market dynamics has been changed. But this is the only way we can predict. We can't predict, but we can expect the market has to do. So last 4-5 years also, January are little bit tough. I can't say on that. I can say January will be good this year because market dynamics has been changed. I'm not saying that. I'm also telling that whatever has been happened in last few years, it will same in this year also. So only we have the data, we have to use the data. There is no other way. So any strategy, if you will go, there will be some drawdown. If the drawdown happens, the only thing is at least wait till the maximum drawdown. You are in 3% drawdown. Both the Prima Meter says it can have 6% drawdown. So there is no other go. If you want to switch, then it is your call. But if you'll ask me, I would say stick to the strategy. It will give you, for sure, it will bring the money back.
Correct, sir. It will get the money back. But again, there is again a time which is involved, right?
Yes.
So that is the question. Okay.
That is not the question, sir.
See, back test is there, paper
That
trade
is
is
not
there,
question.
everything
Sir,
is
this
there.
question is not
Everything.
valid. The question is not valid. Why I'm saying this question is not valid? If you can't sustain in the drawdown phase, then you don't means you are not getting the meaning of drawdown phase. Drawdown phase, your money and time both will be wasted. We can't say that. Can you say, sir, in your life always happiness will be there, and when the sadness is coming, you are saying it is waste of my life. I'll quit my life. Happiness and
Sir,
sadness both will be
I
there.
have
Yes,
a
sir.
very good answer to this question. If I am allowed to speak.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead. Your name, sir?
Yeah, Dr. Manas Trivedi.
Yeah, please, sir.
Yeah, actually, the thing I'm going to tell is I am personally running in each and every strategy on my individual level.
Okay.
Okay. से अल्गोज हैं वो हमारा रिस्क डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. हमारा जो भी पोजीशन साइजिंग है वो कैलकुलेटेड हो जाता है. हम वो सब कुछ ज्यादा पोजीशन साइजिंग और वो सब कुछ अवॉइड हो जाता है. मगर व्हेन कम टू ड्रॉ डाउन, okay, when come to draw down, we can't predict the future, and always market dynamics will be changed to throw the participants out of the market.
Correct.
Okay, so whenever some types of participants will increase in the market will try to throw it out. Okay, so you will have to check your particular system or strategy drawdown at subscriber level. ओके, जैसे कि आपने अभी अपनी स्ट्रेटेजी में लिखा हुआ है कि भाई मैक्सिमम ड्रॉ डाउन इज अराउंड 6 to 7%. तो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इन एनी स्ट्रेटेजी, ओके, दैट when drawdown reaches up to 6 to 7%, I keep on deploying strategy with same X.
Okay.
So, and
I
then
totally understand,
if
sir. So this is
drawdown goes more than the maximum drawdown.
correct. Sir,
Some
what I
drawdown
mean to
goes
say, I was also trying to,
Yeah.
sir, please allow me a moment. So I was also trying to do the same thing, that the drawdowns we can't means remove from the system. Drawdowns are part of the system and it will definitely come. The only one thing is, depending upon the past drawdown, we can hold the strategy, and also depending upon the market scenario. Like I know the VIX is about to touch high when budget will approach. So during high VIX days, if we keep on re-entering again and again, then it will make some loss. So I have added one check. Whenever VIX is too high, then do not re-enter in both the Nifty Prima Meter and Bank Nifty Prima Meter. It is not like we are silently sitting and seeing the loss and we are enjoying the loss. So I have seen the loss. I have implemented one fix that will definitely going to help when VIX will be climbing. And when VIX will come down, then definitely those high premiums will come down and we'll gain very good amount of money. So the thing is that if certain period of time during the, as I told you the example of life. So at the time of sadness, if you will quit the life, then will not get happiness after the sadness. Like, so in trading also, there will be losses, there will be profit. At the time of loss days, when we quit the strategy, when the strategy will give you profit, you will unable to get that profit. And to your concern, I can understand your concern. You are concerned that, sir, start hi kya tha? I have just started and I have seen the drawdown. So market didn't know that Prashant is starting. I should not give drawdown right now. So market ka drawdown time it has given. So if you have started Nifty Prima Meter from the month of December 1, you could have thanked me. What a strategy, sir. Nifty Prima Meter has given 15% to me. So you can't expect whatever it happened, it will happen for sure. Or what is, you can't even predict that this happened, means this is going to be happened and I will be deploying this strategy. All you can do without any emotions, you have a loss in your mind. So this is the maximum loss I can bear and I will stick to the strategy till then. This discipline, if any user can undergo, then definitely it will be beneficial.
And sir, one more thing that my was not complete. Actually, I want to add that one thing to that also, that we should should wait when maximum reaches has been reached. Then it goes to if standard 2x of the standard drawdown.
Sir,
To
your
that
voice is
time
breaking.
also
Manas sir, Manas sir, your voice is breaking. We are unable to
Yes.
see you.
Okay, am I
There must be some network problem, sir.
now? Okay, now my voice.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, anyway, we'll go to the next question. Jibes Mapili baby. Mr. Jibes.
Yes. Good morning, sir. First of all, thank you so much for sharing these wonderful strategies with us. Actually, I started your strategy from November onwards, and November it gave like a very wonderful return, and till December 15, like it was giving wonderful return. But like the last 2-3 weeks, it was like my strategy was giving like a slight drawdown. So, my question is like I found like last 2-3 weeks. After having some loss and all, we'll be in like a good amount of profit, and maybe like 1 or 2 candles or 2-3 minutes of time, we will like lose all the good profit. Just for example, like last Friday, I had around 50k profit, and all got vanished and went to zero, and I end the day at some 7k profit or something. So this is are happening like continuously for last 2-3 weeks. So something can be done against that.
So I was expecting this question because this thing I have also experienced. So there are 2 types of scenario since last 15 days it is happening. Scenario number 1, the loss is coming from the beginning and the entire day is going to cover that loss. That is scenario number one, painful scenario number one. Okay. Second painful scenario is we are seeing profit is there, but before we book the profit, market moves in such a way that what you said, in such a way that the entire profit is going in loss. Okay. My point is, unless and until the profit has been realized, it is not our profit. It is market's profit. Market only has given that profit, right? So unless and until it is realized, we can't say our profit was there and it could have been captured. But again, the second question from my end or anybody's end will come: what is the capture? Means what should be the profit which can be captured? We have trailing stop loss mechanism like Bank Nifty consistent earner. So Bank Nifty consistent earner has 4,000 rupees profit, and suddenly market reversed and it booked at around 1,300 per X profit on Friday. Okay. So when 4,000 profit, we have our target at 4,500. It could have been given 4,500 profit and it could have been booked profit, or means a full target also. It didn't happen, sir. So whatever the target has been mentioned, so that target has been means captured, or that target has been set in the strategy as per the last few years of the backtesting. Again, you can contradict, sir, you are only saying backtesting, we cannot trust. So there is no other way we can tune or we can judge what can the strategy can give. Okay. So the only way is backtesting to predict. If see, we learn from our childhood, and that learning we still utilize in our in current life also. Okay. So so between this life, this 20-30 years, your life dynamics has also changed, but still you are using the learnings from your childhood. Why? Because those you learned, and there is no other way you can grow. You learn from your past and you use your past learnings in future. So that is the only way to grow ahead in your life. Okay. So as per last few weeks time, I would say it was tough. So if this toughness will not come, then why we maintain drawdown? Directly, I would have told you that monthly 12% you will give. The strategy will give you monthly 12%. The strategy will give you 15%. Why I am mentioning drawdown? Because it is understood that these kind of scenarios will definitely come in the strategies. So this is one of the difficult phase, I would say. I have introduced TSL. I have fixed target strategy. So everything, whatever can be possible, we have already implemented. Too many things if we'll try to implement, then the strategy will be garbage. Okay. So that VIX condition, I was under my impression from the beginning itself that VIX condition in both the prima meter was about to come. But with that VIX condition, Tradetron didn't allow me to backtest it. So that is why the VIX condition was kept separated. And I was under the impression whenever I will see in a month VIX is inclining, at that time I would introduce this VIX condition. Okay. And that I have introduced. So as per my experience, whatever I can do, I always keep the things handy. So it is not like I am sitting very silently and enjoying the loss. So everything, whatever can be possible, I implement on time. Okay, that's what my track record since last 1 year. Okay, so right now I would say whatever the way the target stop loss are defined, I am not going to change anything. So and whatever that 50,000 profit you had in Friday, so it could have 1 lakh also, nobody knows. It came down to 7,000. That is also we are expected, we accepted. Okay, same thing in my portfolio also. It was at 87,000 profit, and then it came down to minus 20,000. Then it ended at plus 20,000. So that 87,000 will not go to 1.5 lakhs. Who will do? So we can't close prematurely. If you are doing that one time manually, you will try to close with small profit. Again and again, you will try to book small profits, and the day 2% loss, what we consider as our portfolio max loss, the day 2% loss will happen. It will take all your small 5, 6, 7 profits in a day. So that will not balance. You might be happy with small profits 1-2 days or 4-5 days, but in a long run, sticking to the system will give you good amount of profit. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Mr. Rajesh. Next is Rajesh B.
Nirvika.
Sir, I'm recently joined your strategy. I'm part of this, managed portfolio with the help of Chirag. So I wanted to understand how exactly it works.
So it works. I always suggest not more than 3 strategies, only 2 to 3 strategies depending upon the portfolio size. So why I suggest 2 to 3 strategy? Usually I suggest if it is bigger portfolio, I always suggest index premium meter followed by Nifty premium meter followed by Bank Nifty premium meter. These 3 strategies I suggest. Why? Because Bank Nifty and Nifty both are 2 indexes and they go parallelly by handling each other. Okay, so that is why Bank Nifty Premium Meter and Nifty Premium Meter has been designed, and Index Premium Meter has already Nifty and Bank Nifty both. So it itself again individually it is a very balanced strategy. That is point number 2. So that is why Nifty and Bank Nifty both the combinations I always maintain in my portfolio. That is point number 1. Point number 2, index premium meter can adjust itself even in trending market. What we have seen since last 1 week, even though in trending market it is adjusting itself, in range bound market definitely it will gain very good amount of money, no doubt in it. So index premium meter is a good strategy by itself. Along with index premium meter, if we any other strategy, and again right now index premium meter is doing good, but December second half it was not doing good. So at that time Nifty premium meter and Bank Nifty premium meter was giving good profit. What I mean to say, when you combine these 3 strategies, all 3 strategies have different characteristics and different behavior. They together will not let your portfolio go down. Okay, right now also both the premium meter, index premium, all 3 strategies are deployed on my own portfolio. I am not been in panic because index premium meter is giving me good profit and these 2 premium meters have not performed as per my expectation. Still it is not giving me panic, right? So that is why I always suggest instead of going with only one strategy, always try to mix with 2 to 3 strategies so that one strategy will help other strategy in a bad period and your portfolio will be little bit diversified.
Another question is, last week there was a good amount of drawdown. Like my account saw the 3.6 or 3.7% of drawdown.
Okay.
So my question is, when I checked with Chirag, he said that is because of slippages. But slippages are in the range of what I saw some of the screenshot which you shared. The slippages were very less. In my account, it was almost 3 times or 4 times than what was shared in the.
You are using which broker? Okay. I got your point. I got your point. So that is, so Chirag was right. What it happened. So in case of Truecapier thing, what happens? The trade gets executed as per the strategy in the master account, and then the trades are getting transferred to the child account. So there are couple of seconds delay which we investigated and informed to Truecapier, and I will share the screenshot also, the conversation with Truecapier guys in the group also to make you understand what exactly it happened. And because of those couple of seconds delay, so that happened. Okay, and that is why in master account maybe little bit extra profit, and in child account it could have been more profit, it could have been more because after one leg of execution, second leg executed after a couple of seconds, 20-30 seconds after. So that was quite risky, and this has been informed to the software provider, and that is what he was trying to explain about the reason of the slippage. The reason of the slippage is not about the strategy.
Right. So third question, in this master and the child account, is there any adjustment you do when there is a, the market goes against the strategies what we have?
I deploy strategy as per the market conditions, and once the if like on Friday case, if you see, sorry, not Friday, Thursday case, when Nifty premium meter exited, I timed and I started index premium meter using the same capital. Okay, so those kind of adjustments I do, but there is no manual adjustment, only as per the strategy.
Okay, fair enough. Thank you.
Okay, so next who raised a hand is Vivo V21 5G. Name is not written. So you can ask your question if available.
हेलो सर, नमस्ते।
Namaste, sir.
सर, ये अभी 3-4 लोग आपके पास क्वेश्चन पूछे, यही क्वेश्चंस हमारे पास भी है। वही लास्ट वीक में दो बार फ्राइडे बैंक निफ्टी कंसिस्टेंस में रिप्लाई कर रहा हूँ लाइव। उसमें ऐसा ही हुआ, 4000 तक गया और आके 1000 तक आके आ गया।
तो उसका
बाद
आंसर
में
दे दिया ना सर मैंने।
हाँ, बाद में ये 6000 स्टॉप लॉस रखा है, 4500 प्रॉफिट टारगेट रखा है। किस लिए ये ज्यादा लॉस रखा है?
सर ऑप्शन सेलिंग स्ट्रेटेजी में ना आपको थोड़ा
हाँ।
सा रिस्क ज्यादा रखना पड़ता है, उसका एक रीजन है। तो रिस्क थोड़ा
अच्छा।
सा ज्यादा इसलिए रखा जाता है क्योंकि ऑप्शन सेलिंग स्ट्रेटेजी में बाय डिफॉल्ट प्रॉफिट विनिंग रेट इज बाय डिफॉल्ट ज्यादा रहता है, क्योंकि ऑप्शन सेलिंग में प्रीमियम इरोजन हमको मिलता है, तो हमारा विन रेट 70% से ऊपर रहता है सारे स्ट्रेटेजी का। तो ये जो मतलब 70% टाइम आपको ग्रीन एमटीएम मिलेगा और
हाँ।
30% टाइम आपको लॉस होगा। तो क्योंकि आपका विनिंग रेट ज्यादा रहता है तो इसलिए मैं थोड़ा
हाँ।
सा रिस्क भी ज्यादा ले लेता हूँ, ताकि क्योंकि एक बार अगर कंसिस्टेंट रनर में क्या होता है, एक बार स्ट्रेटेजी एग्जिट हो गया तो हो गया, सेकंड काउंटर तो होता
हाँ।
नहीं है इसमें। तो कभी
हाँ।
कभी क्या होता है 5,000 के लॉस से भी वापस आ जाता है मार्केट और
हाँ।
फिर हमको
हाँ।
प्रॉफिट देने लगता है। अगर हम 5,000
हाँ।
या 4,500 के लॉस में निकल गए होंगे तो जब रिवर्स
हाँ।
होगा तो हमको प्रॉफिट नहीं मिल पाएगा ना। तो ये भी एक चीज ऑलरेडी टेस्टिंग करके हमने देखा है कि कितना हद तक
हाँ।
हम लॉस ले सकते हैं, कितना हद तक प्रॉफिट टारगेट बुक करेंगे, तभी एक हमको बैलेंस्ड रिटर्न मिलेगा मंथ बाय मंथ। तो ये
हाँ।
स्ट्रेटेजी सही चल रहा है, लास्ट 3 महीने से 36% का रिटर्न अभी तक मिल गया ये स्ट्रेटेजी में। तो ये सेटअप भी हम आगे चल के भी कंटिन्यू करेंगे।
अभी
हाँ।
ये वीएक्स का आप बताए थे ना, ये वीएक्स ज्यादा रहने से अभी ये प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा हो गया ऑप्शन सेलर्स के लिए।
ऑप्शन सेलर के लिए अभी तो ऑलरेडी ज्यादा ही है, अभी बढ़ नहीं रहा है एक्चुअली। विक्स बढ़ता है जनवरी 2nd 3rd वीक के बाद बढ़ता है फॉर बजट।
हाँ।
ठीक है,
हाँ। हाँ।
क्योंकि विक्स
तो
ज्यादा रहेगा तो प्रीमियम भी तो ज्यादा मिलेगा ना, वो प्रीमियम विक्स के अकॉर्डिंगली ज्यादा नहीं रह रहा है, तो वो थोड़ा सा
हाँ।
प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है।
अच्छा। अच्छा, ये डायरेक्शनल स्ट्रेटजी का ये क्या है? ये 1x के लिए कितना लगेगा?
सर ये डायरेक्शनल स्ट्रेटेजी के रिलेटेड सब कुछ मैं बताऊंगा जब मैं मार्केट प्लेस में उसको पब्लिश करने जाऊंगा। अभी के लिए तो
हाँ।
मार्केट प्लेस में पब्लिश नहीं कर रहा हूं, तो आप थोड़ा सा वेट करिए, डायरेक्शनल स्ट्रेटेजी के बारे में सब कुछ बताऊंगा इन फ्यूचर।
सर, ये बैंक निफ्टी कंसिस्टेंट आपका ये लाइव डिप्लॉयमेंट कितने दिन से है आपका ये?
लाइव डिप्लॉयमेंट मेरा पूरा जब से स्टार्ट हुआ है सितंबर से ही है, मेरा सितंबर से ही चल रहा है लाइव डिप्लॉयमेंट मेरा।
हाँ। हाँ। हाँ।
ठीक है, तो सो फार सो गुड, अच्छा जा रहा था। ये वीक में भी
हाँ।
5 दिन प्रॉफिट ही दिया है मुझे, पर बात ये है कि
हाँ।
टारगेट बहुत अच्छे से, अभी अगर एक दिन 4,500 टारगेट देता, दूसरे दिन 6,000
हाँ।
लॉस देता था, तभी भी
हाँ।
हम
हाँ।
लॉस नहीं रहता है ना। अभी 5 दिन प्रॉफिट
हाँ।
दिया है, फिर भी लोगों को टेंशन
हाँ।
हो रहा है कि टारगेट क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है। टारगेट भी मिलेगा,
हाँ।
थोड़ा सा वेट कीजिए,
हाँ।
सेम स्टिक टू द सेम स्ट्रेटेजी।
अच्छा। अच्छा, और एक बात बताया आप, छोटे छोटे में मैनुअल इंट्रोडक्शन करिए तो वो बड़ा लॉस होने के टाइम में उसको मैनेज नहीं कर
4-5 दिन
सकता
का,
ज्यादा
हाँ,
वो।
वो सारा छोटा लॉस लेके जाएगा, वो छोटा प्रॉफिट वो लेके जाएगा एक दिन के लॉस में।
हाँ। हाँ, उसके तो ऑटोमेटिक इसमें ही छोड़ देना चाहिए वो,
उसमें
जो भी
छोड़ दो
स्ट्रेटजी।
मैं। हाँ, मैं पूरा अल्गो को पूरा मार्केट आवर में पूरा बैठ के देखता हूँ कौन सा अल्गो कैसे काम कर रहा है। तो इसीलिए मैंने अभी स्ट्रेटेजी भी कम कर दिया है, मुझे भी
हाँ।
देखने में इजी हो रहा है और मैं पूरा फोकस में रहता है सारे स्ट्रेटेजी। कुछ भी अगर एक्शन करने का होता है, जैसे कि बैंक निफ्टी
हाँ।
प्रीमियम मीटर का फ्राइडे के दिन, सॉरी थर्सडे के दिन 2% मिल रहा था, तो मैंने
हाँ। हाँ।
बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर को थोड़ी देर पहले ही अराउंड 12:30 मैंने बुक करने के लिए बोल दिया। क्यों बुक करने के लिए बोला? क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था कि कुछ आने वाला है प्रॉब्लम। उसके बाद सेकेंड हाफ में बैंक निफ्टी
हाँ।
अराउंड 400 पॉइंट बढ़ गया। वो अगर हम बुक नहीं करते तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता।
ನೀವು ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ
ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मिस्टर विजय पटनी।
हेलो सर।
यस सर।
सर मैं आई एम associated with MarketStar from last more than 4 months, and thanks for your support, and you are always there for any updates and any change, and means you always replies and always gives comfort and support to all your users. Thanks a lot for that.
मोस्ट वेलकम, थैंक यू सर।
Sir, one small question. जैसा अभी on Thursdays on expiry you had done that for Nifty and Bank Nifty premium meter. You have made it open target, but as you had done on this Thursday manually, means you are asked to close it for Bank Nifty.
I have set it through algo only. I have not asked to close. I have told that the strategy, I have the maximum target 11,000 I have kept. So when the profit came to 11,000, it has been already booked, automatically booked.
Okay, this is not open one.
It was open, but the thing is that since before one day only, it booked around 2% loss. Okay.
Yeah, I know
So
that.
when you keep open target, so it can give you 3-4%, it can reduce you also, right? So the thing is that it always depends upon the little bit past action also and the current situation. As per the current situation, on that day also Nifty premium meter has booked around 2% loss. So considering all the scenarios, when it was giving more than 2.1% return, so I thought let's book it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Next question is Manish Grover.
Good morning, sir. Manish here.
Good morning.
Thanks for arranging this presentation. This was very useful and very informative. Thanks a lot for that. So my question is, during your presentation, sir, you had mentioned about one strategy called hedge, index hedge option strategy, if I'm not mistaken. Is that correct?
Yes.
So my understanding is, for events like Thursday, that will provide a cushion, for events like Thursday. So I understand it will have an impact on overall ROI. But for events like Thursday, it will provide us a cushion. So you suggest that we should club this strategy with our index eater strategy.
You can, sir. You can.
So even though ROI will be impacted, but for events like Thursday, it will be very useful.
What I would say, the OTM hedge strategy right now, whatever we have, so those OTM hedge strategies are actually not as a cushion. So those OTM hedge strategies are actually I would say margin reducer. Okay. So that is the reason I don't promote much. But on days like right now, whatever the index directional learner hedge strategy, what I'll be bringing, so that will be actually as a cushion I am using, because those buying legs are not too far like right now. Okay. So those will act definitely as a cushion. Okay.
This is for which strategy, sir?
Index directional earner, what is about.
Okay.
Other than this, the current OTM hedge strategy in Bank Nifty consistent earner also, it is kind of moderate far. So it can give you cushion also on a trending or high wicks day. Okay. So, but in OTM hedge strategy like Nifty OTM hedge and Bank Nifty OTM hedge, so in those strategies, the OTM options are very far. So those will be kind of margin reducer, not as a cushion.
Okay. So in your experience, Bank Nifty premium meter, Nifty premium meter, and index premium meter, this is a good combination. Am I right?
This is a very good combination, sir. Means you will not get tense. Means you will hardly get any tension. I think you are mute. I am not able to hear you.
Can you hear me now, sir?
Yeah.
So I'm saying, if I have to scale up my capital, is there any provision by which you or your team member executes it? Because there are certain work commitments from my side. So as I scale up my capital,
you can check with the handle @trading inquiry in my group. So his name is Chirag. So he will help you out in case of your unavailability. You can check with him how the things goes.
What's his handle name, sir? If you can...
@trading inquiry in our group. @trading inquiry.
Okay. Thanks a lot, sir. So if I may ask, what's a good name, sir?
My name is Sitaram.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Mr. Sitaram. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Next question is Imtiaz Agaria.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
सर मेरे को जानना था कि मेरे पास तो 3 लाख अमाउंट है, तो मैं कौन सी स्ट्रेटेजी अप्लाई करूं जिसमें
3 लाख
मतलब
के लिए तो एक ही वन एंड ओनली इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर बनता है और कोई होता ही नहीं है. 3,20,000 में इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर आ जाएगा आपका. आराम आराम से आपको स्टार्ट करने के लिए सबसे अच्छा स्ट्रेटेजी यही रहता है, इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर।
हाँ, ठीक है सर। तो अपन, और मेरे को ये जानना था कि कौन सा ब्रोकर सही रहेगा जो जिसमें मतलब स्लिपेज कम रहे।
सर सबसे अच्छा ब्रोकर तो जीरोधा है, पर वो थोड़ा सा कॉस्टली है, इसलिए मैंने एलएस ब्लू यूज करता हूँ। अब एलएस ब्लू में भी खर्चा थोड़ा सा कम है, पर बहुत ज्यादा कम नहीं है, तो इसलिए मैंने, आप अगर मार्केट स्टार के रेफरेंस में एलएस ब्लू यूज करोगे तो आपको ना स्ट्रेटेजी का कॉस्ट रहेगा, ना आपको इसका प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रहेगा, और आपको एग्जीक्यूशन भी काफी स्मूथ मिलेगा एलएस ब्लू में।
ओके,
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है सर, ठीक है।
Okay. Next question. It is again written Redmi Note 10 Pro. I'm not sure about your name.
जी सर नमस्कार, राजेंद्र
नमस्कार
पुरा बोल रहा हूँ।
राजेंद्र जी, नमस्ते,
राजेंद्र
बोलिए।
उड़ीसा से बोल रहा हूँ सर।
बोलिए सर, हम भी उड़ीसा से ही हैं।
हाँ पता है सर।
हाँ, बोलिए सर।
हाँ जी सर। सर मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ, मैं तो अभी नया आया हूँ, और विनय जी के, विनय को आप तो पहचानते हैं ना?
हाँ, विनय जी तो 3 साल से हैं मार्केट स्टार के साथ ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, वो मेरा रिलेटिव है, और कुछ दिन से मैं आया हूँ, और लास्ट दिसंबर 1 तारीख को मैंने शुरू किया था। लेकिन फर्स्ट 1 वीक मैंने 1 लॉट से शुरू किया था प्रीमियम मीटर को। बाद में प्रॉफिट हुआ था, बाद में मैंने मल्टीप्लर 1 मल्टीप्लर एक्स्ट्रा किया था, क्योंकि ब्रोकरेज ज्यादा जा रहा था।
करेक्ट।
हाँ, तो थोड़ा दिसंबर में मेरा लॉस आया।
है अभी तो लास्ट 1 वीक से फिर से प्रॉफिट आ रहा है ना, डेली के लास्ट 7 दिन से तो प्रॉफिट ही है।
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल।
आप उधर टिक रहे। मैंने वैसे बोला ना कि दिसंबर सेकेंड वीक में थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट था सारे स्ट्रेटेजीज के लिए, इवन इंडेक्स प्रीमियम के लिए सबसे ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट था, पर अभी लास्ट 1 वीक से बाकी कोई स्ट्रेटेजी अच्छे नहीं चल रहे हैं, खाली इंडेक्स प्रीमियम ही प्रॉफिट दे रहा है। ठीक है, तो वही होता है कि अगर आप करंट परफॉर्मेंस के बेसिस पे हर 1 वीक 2 वीक में अगर चेंज करोगे तो आपको प्रॉफिट कभी नहीं हो पाएगा। तो आप उसी सेम स्ट्रेटेजी को, इंडेक्स प्रीमियम स्ट्रेटेजी अच्छी है, आपने सही चुना है, 2x में आप करके कंटिन्यू कीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
अच्छा जी। और ये जो सर, मैं तो, मेरा नया अकाउंट था, ये ब्रोकरेज थोड़ा 30 रुपीज करके आ रहा है, इसको थोड़ा सर आप ये कीजिए
30 रुपीज मतलब 15 पर ऑर्डर 15 आ रहा होगा।
जी।
हाँ, मैंने इसके लिए ऑलरेडी एस्केलेट कर रखा है, मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट भी शेयर किया था ग्रुप में कि मैं ऑलरेडी इन डिस्कशन हूँ। एलएसब्लू का ये स्टैंडर्ड ब्रोकरेज प्लान है नहीं, मैंने बहुत पुश करके ये वाला कस्टमाइज प्लान बनाया था, तो बहुत जल्द ही ये करवा दूंगा। मैं ऑलरेडी पुश कर रहा हूँ कि ये, उन्होंने मुझे रिटर्न कमिटमेंट दिया, फिर भी क्यों चेंज नहीं कर रहे, मैं वो कर दूंगा वो। ठीक है,
बाकी सर आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आप बिल्कुल सहारा होके खड़ा हुए हैं हमारे साथ।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू
जी, थैंक यू।
ओके, नेक्स्ट सनत साहू, this is the last question Sanat Sahu, no more questions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
okay sir, very good morning, and thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Most welcome sir.
Just जैसे कि आप बोले कि the index premium meter and the bank nifty and nifty will not give you much strain, okay? तो थोड़ा सा जस्ट ब्रीफ में कॉन्सेप्ट सर आप बोलेंगे कि हमको ये जो 3 जो स्ट्रेटजी है, दैट इज
तो मैंने बोला कि अभी इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर क्या होता है सर। हाँ, इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर का आप एक बार ये खत्म होने के बाद इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर स्ट्रेटेजी पेज में इसका वीडियो भी है, तो एक बार आप वीडियो देख लो, पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट वहां पे इन डिटेल एग्जांपल के साथ मैंने समझा दिया हूँ कि एग्जैक्टली होता है क्या, पूरा स्ट्रेटेजी समझा दिया हूँ। ठीक है, सेम चीज मैंने समझा दिया हूँ बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर में भी, और बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर में जो स्ट्रेटेजी है वही सेम स्ट्रेटेजी, खाली बैंक निफ्टी की जगह निफ्टी में होता है। ठीक है, तो ये सारे YouTube वीडियो ऑलरेडी मैंने डाल रखा है, आप एक बार ये खत्म होने के बाद थोड़ा सा टाइम निकाल के देख लो, बहुत अच्छा आपको लगेगा, क्योंकि आप यूज कर रहे हो कैपिटल में। ठीक है, बाकी ओवरऑल आपको जो मैं समझाऊं तो इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर डायरेक्शनल और इसमें रेंज बाउंड मार्केट दोनों में चल जाता है, थोड़ा सा अगर ऊपर नीचे एक्सट्रीम वोलेटिलिटी केस में चल नहीं पाता है। बाकी बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर एंड निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर वोलेटाइल मार्केट, प्लस माइनस मार्केट, रेंज बाउंड मार्केट, मॉडरेट ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट में भी चल जाता है, एक्सट्रीम ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट में चल नहीं पाता है। तो दिस 3 स्ट्रेटेजीज एक्चुअली कॉम्प्लीमेंट ईच अदर इन नेगेटिव केसेस, मतलब जिसमें इसका नेगेटिव केस, ये दोनों प्रीमियम मीटर नेगेटिव जाएंगे तो वहां पे इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर मोस्टली प्रॉफिट हो जाता है, और जहां पे वोलेटाइल केस में इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर नेगेटिव होता है तो ये दोनों पॉजिटिव हो जाते हैं। ठीक है, तो दे कॉम्प्लीमेंट ईच अदर इन लॉस डेज। बाकी प्रॉफिट डेज में, रेंज बाउंड डेज में तो तीनों भी प्रॉफिट दे सकते हैं।
ओके अच्छा, तो सर मेरा तो इसका सप्लीमेंट्री को क्वेश्चन है, तो ये तीनों को करने के लिए कितना लगेगा विद दी वो
कैपिटल लगेगा 5 प्लस 3.5 प्लस 3.2 अराउंड 10 लाख 11 लाख आपको लग जाएगा। 11 लाख अगर नहीं है, थोड़ा सा कम भी पड़ता है तो 1-2 OTM हेज लगा लोगे तो हो जाएगा।
ओके ठीक है, समझ गया। थैंक यू।
Okay, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
There are few more raised hands. I am running out of time. So this will be last 2 questions, I would say. Sankar Mohan is one question and Anil Yadav second question. I would take only these 2 persons question. Mr. Sankar Mohan.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Tell me.
Just sir, I recently joined in Index Premium Meter.
Yes.
Just I have run out in that, sir. Just there are 2 counters in that strategy. If we lose 5,000 in first counter, what is the probability of recovering in the second counter, sir?
Sir, first of all, 5,000 in first counter loss will not happen. The maximum loss per counter is set to 3,000. Okay, so if first counter goes to loss 3,000 means the way index premium meter has been designed, market must be very volatile, means plus and minus too much things will happen, then only that 3,000 loss can happen. And if that kind of plus minus highly volatile thing one time it happens, again second time it will happen, there is low probability. Okay, so that is why when first counter goes to loss, second counter also it enters and it mostly it covers that loss. Okay, but if market is supreme, again if second counter also goes loss, 6,000 loss means usually strategy will not take entry. In your safety side, you can also pause the strategy if back to back 3,000, 3,000 loss will happen to you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, last question, Anil Yadav. Anil ji, boliye.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I am good. How about you? You are one of the oldest trader of MarketStar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It's been good journey, sir.
Yeah,
सर एक चीज पूछना था मुझे, जैसे कि जो विक्स कंडीशन आपने ऐड की है इस बार, तो री एंट्री फर्स्ट काउंटर के बाद सेकंड एंट्री में री एंट्री विक्स डाउन होने के बाद ही होगी ना सर?
करेक्ट, डाउन विक्स डाउन का मतलब मैं आपको थोड़ा सा, ये क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली पता नहीं किसने क्यों नहीं पूछा। आई वाज हैप्पी टू आंसर दिस, हाउ दिस विक्स कंडीशन वर्क। फर्स्ट एंट्री में यूजुअली अगर विक्स ऑलरेडी अप है तो फर्स्ट एंट्री में तो हो ही जाएगा। फर्स्ट एंट्री में मैं विक्स का कंडीशन चेक नहीं करता हूँ। क्यों नहीं करता हूँ, उसका रीजन मैंने ग्रुप में भी लिखा था कि अगर विक्स बढ़ के ओपन होता है तो गिरने का भी चांस रहता है, और जब गिरेगा तो हमको टारगेट मिल जाएगा। तो फर्स्ट एंट्री में हम चेक नहीं करते। पर अगर ड्यूरिंग द मार्केट विक्स अगर बढ़ रहा है, so that means there is some news or there is something happening in the market, and once the VIX is trending, there is very unlikely that it will cool down. ठीक है, तो एक एंट्री के बाद सेकंड एंट्री, मतलब ड्यूरिंग द मार्केट व्हेन वी आर चेकिंग VIX is increasing, we are not entering. The re-entry will not happen. When the re-entry will happen, when the VIX will cool down, मतलब मान लो कि 8 to 10% बढ़ा हुआ है, अगर it will come down to around 6 to 7%, 3 to 4% घट गया है, then we will consider it as a VIX cooling down. I have kept couple of indicators which will indicate the VIX is cooling up, and then only the strategy will re-enter. अब VIX अगर कूलिंग अप हो रहा है तो हमको फिर से प्रीमियम बेनिफिट मिल सकता है। अब वहां से फिर से अगर मार्केट ट्रेंड गलत ट्रेंड पकड़ेगा एंड अगेन VIX विल राइज, देन अगेन वी विल मेक लॉस एंड दैट विल बी 2%. सो again, extreme conditions, max loss 2% is always there, but these are the conditions between extreme and good. This is intermediate conditions which will help you out.
Okay, so अगर ऐसा होता है तो we don't have to touch the strategy.
No need to touch the strategy. In case of VIX is increasing, the strategy will adjust itself within high VIX conditions.
We have to leave it as it is.
As it is. Correct. You are correct.
Okay, so thank you. Thanks.
Yeah,
thank you.
Thanks a lot for all your questions, for all your time on a Sunday. So it was a very wonderful session. I will upload this video once the recording will be ready. Thanks again, and have a profitable journey ahead with MarketStar. Thank you.
Thank you.